We'll guide you through how to make AI read text on Canva. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your browser on your device so you can begin the process. When the window loads, move to the search bar and type Canva, then press Enter so you can see the results. From the links that appear, click the first web that looks right, which will take you to the official page of Canva. After the site opens, log in if you already have an account or sign in if you have never made one before. Once you reach the main workspace, look at the left side and click the Create option so you can start a new project. Type the ratio that you want to use inside the box, and as an example, you can pick a wallpaper ratio and click it so the canvas loads. When the page is ready, move your focus to the left side menu and find the AI voice feature. Then click it to open the tool. Inside the AI voice window, enter the text you want to add into the box so the system knows what to read. After that, select the language you want to use from the list. For the sake of this guide, you can choose English United States as an easy example. Next, look through the voice options and pick the one that fits your plan. For example, you can choose the voice named Richard if you want a clear and steady tone. When you are done picking the voice, click Generate AI Voice so the tool can create the audio. After the audio is made, return to your canvas and start adding content to match the project. For a simple setup, you can add a text layer by clicking the text option and placing it on your canvas. Enter the text you want to show so the layout begins to take shape. If you want to hear the audio result before you finish, click the preview section at the top so you can listen to how the voice sounds.
How to make AI read text in Canva.
This step helps you check if the tone fits your work and saves you from fixing things later. If the sound feels off, you can go back to the voice settings and try another option until it feels right. Keep adjusting the text or timing until the flow matches what you want. When everything looks and sounds good, you can use the result for your design today.